Hello, I'm back with another creamy pasta recipe, and you can drop thank you later in the comment section. I hope you're all well, and thanks again for tuning in. For today's recipe, we're going to need some mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, fresh parsley, some fresh garlic, and some prawns. Let's get started. I already added some water into the cooking pot. I'm going in now with a little bit of salt. Feel free to add a little bit of oil if you wish to. I don't add oil when I'm cooking the pasta itself because I will be using a little bit of oil and butter later to finish up with the cooking. Bring the water to a boil and add the pasta. It's time to get the vegetables ready. I'm not using lots of vegetables in today's recipe, but feel free to add more if you wish to. Always remember, it's your kitchen, your rules. I'm only guiding you here. I'm chopping a little bit of onions that we'll use as well. And I'm almost done with the vegetables prep. Let me quickly check how we're doing on this side. Our water is ready. Just going with the pasta. I'm using brown pasta, but feel free again to use any pasta of your choice. Drain the water and let it cool down. Later on, we'll add it. Let's start with the sauce making. I just went in with a tablespoon and a half of coconut oil. Heat that up 1 to 2 minutes and then saute your mushrooms for 2 to 3 minutes. Once your mushrooms are ready, just set it aside and add it later on. To season it, I'm just using a little bit of vegetable seasoning, and that's all we need for the mushrooms. And after 2 to 3 minutes, our mushrooms are ready, and I'm going to set it aside. If today is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Kayi, and I love sharing quick, easy, and very delicious recipes here. Consider subscribing so you don't miss out on my new uploads. I'm going in now with a tablespoon of coconut oil. Heat her up a minute and add onions and the garlic. I use 6 garlic cloves. It's time to go in now with the cherry tomatoes and add a little bit of ginger, roughly like a tablespoon. I'm going to add the blend of ginger, tomatoes, and garlic to it. Mix everything well and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. You can use black pepper, but I'm going in with cayenne pepper, about a tablespoon, and a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I'm going in with a tablespoon of butter. Mix everything well and add the fresh parsley. Again, you can use spinach if you wish to. Add the prawns. These ones are already cooked, so I don't need to do anything. If you are using the fresh one, just season them, fry it, and then add it to the sauce. If you are not a big fan of prawns, you can use chicken breast. It's going to be perfect as well. Time now to add the fresh cream, just about a medium bowl. If you are enjoying the recipe, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and keep watching. Kindly share as well with family and friends so they can also enjoy this recipe. Cook this on a medium heat 2 to 3 minutes and add the mushrooms. Big shout out to all the members of this channel and my returning subscribers. I truly appreciate all of you guys. You can also find me on Instagram and TikTok at Kayi's Cuisine. And again, if you don't like mushrooms, you can skip this part. Now the sauce is ready. It's time to add the pasta. Mix everything well. Keep it on the stove for another 2 to 3 minutes. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. And you can go in with the rest of the parsley to garnish this pasta. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. Let me know what you think about today's recipe. Now it's time to serve the food, and you know exactly what you're supposed to do. Grab a fork so we can all dive into this very soon. Look at how creamy, very inviting this pasta is. In Togo, this is the time we say midunulo, meaning you are invited to join me right here. Look at this. Guys, the aroma in the kitchen was just on another level. That right there is for you. Thanks so much for watching, and it's time for me to say goodbye now. If you enjoyed the recipe, give it a try and let me know what you think. Bye. Au revoir.